Here we have the youth class. Right now we have 2 entries. I think there may be more. This area here is the rookie class. These 2 here were made by young folks that were in my beginner class this morning.
Actually, I know this guy is too. He's from my class. He's been there for less than 2 years.
This is my entry. It's hard to see in here, but it is a hexagon all the way out to the ends of the tapers. Right there's the parent stock. This is a very ornate piece here. And then there's Mr. Steve King. If nothing else, wins the entry for the biggest hook. Just in comparison. That one there, I believe, is some kind of a pattern weld. So is that one. I think all 3 of those are pattern welds by Mr. Al Yoder. There's some pretty nice bracket hooks there. Then somebody got really artistic. This is another pretty one here, like Dave Kunkler. Jeff Reinhardt made a real nice wizard. Well, let's go back down here and look at this one. We've got an arm with a hand holding a hammer over top of an anvil. So that's the hooks.